In this video, you will learn about the available features and settings in Page Builder. It is important to understand how the builder is laid out before beginning to design your landing page. The majority of your screen should display the canvas, where you'll add all of your blocks and items. Your page name should be displayed in the upper left corner of the top navigation bar. The mobile desktop toggle is in the center of the top navigation bar. You can edit the items through the mobile and desktop views. To the right of that, you can see the undo-redo commands. The changes you make to this page will auto-save, and this is an easy way to revert back to previous versions of your landing page. The page settings are in the upper right corner, and they can be viewed and edited by clicking the Settings gear. The Settings menu hosts the behind-the-scenes configurations for each Page Builder page. First is the URL configuration. Each page has a customizable URL, which is constructed using your hosted domain, and a URL string that appears following the domain. You can enter any combination of alphanumeric characters to create your unique URL string. Next, you can update your search engine optimization settings. Editing the page title and description will help improve the page's SEO ranking and appearance in browsers. If you are creating this landing page to connect with the Sugar Market Google ad, then you need to turn on PPC tracking by clicking this checkbox. Next, you can track the page activity through your Google Analytics account by adding your tag to capture the UA tracking ID. Then, you have the option to adjust the cookie consent settings you set on the page setup. If the box is checked, you will enable cookie consent and the banner will appear on the live page. Next, you have a few options for applying scripts from third parties to your landing page. For example, you can embed third-party JavaScript in the script section to add additional functionality to your page. These script inclusions will be added at the bottom of the body tag of the HTML page. The last setting allows you to add a favicon to your landing page. This custom favicon will appear in browser tabs, bookmarks, shortcuts, and more. You can simply drag or click to upload a square PNG image, and we will create the favicon necessary to render it correctly across devices and operating systems. Next to the settings, you can click on the context menu. Here, you can save the page as a template, exit Page Builder, view the published URL once published, and unpublish the page. The last items in the top navigation bar include the manual Save button, Preview to see the page in full size on desktop or mobile, and Publish. Once you hit Publish, Sugar Market will host your page based on the URL defined in the page settings. The page can be unpublished at any time. The last section to review is the menu on the left side of the canvas. The top section includes your blocks, which are broken up into sections, rows, and columns. Your sections are the parent container of rows, and rows are the parent containers of columns. The bottom section includes all of your widget items. Each item can be dragged and dropped to a column on your page. Each block and item also has a set of options available in its own menu. To learn more about adding blocks, tune into the next video in this series.